Deflation in fuel is likely to deepen in the near term, following the cut in LPG prices in the month of March. Notwithstanding the cut in petrol and diesel prices in mid-March, the recent uptick in crude oil prices, especially in the recent few days, they need to be very closely monitored. Continuing geopolitical tensions also pose upside risk to commodity prices and supply chains. Assuming a normal monsoon next year, CPI inflation for, when I say normal monsoon for next year, I mean the current year 24-25. CPI inflation for the current year 24-25 is projected at 4.5%. I repeat, CPI inflation for the current year 24-25 is projected at 4.5%, with Q1 at 4.9%, Q2 at 3.8%, Q3 at 4.6%, and Q4 at 4.5%. The risks are evenly balanced. Now, what do these inflation and growth conditions mean for monetary policy? I have explained the growth situation, I have explained the inflation scenario. Synthesizing everything, what does it mean? What implications it has for monetary policy? And that is precisely what I would like to explain now. Inflation has come down significantly but remains above the 4% target. Food inflation continues to exhibit considerable volatility, which is impeding the ongoing disinflation process. High and persistent food inflation could unhinge anchoring of inflation expectations, which is underway. Our ongoing effort is to ensure fuller transmission of policy actions and anchoring of household inflation expectations. The strong growth momentum, together with our GDP projections for 24-25, give us the policy space to unwaveringly focus on price stability. Now, 2 years ago, around this time, when CPI inflation had peaked at 7.8% in April 2022, the elephant in the room was inflation. The elephant has now gone out for a walk and appears to be returning to the forest. We would like the elephant to return to the forest and remain there on a durable basis. In other words, it is essential in the best interest of the economy that CPI inflation continues to moderate and aligns to the target on a durable basis. Till this is achieved, our task remains unfinished.